Welcome back to another tutorial on how to set up a rent reminder. You know by now that we do have a new feature for email notification where you can go ahead and create email templates and use the same for a rental reminder. Let's dive in to see how you set up a rental reminder. So there you go, we're at the rent reminder dashboard. You'd find that we've already created a few reminders, a 4-day late notice that's to be sent 4 days after the payment due date, and a rent reminder one that's to be sent 27 days before the payment due date. You can also find the templates that's being used for these events right here. You'd be able to edit them, delete them, or preview them as well. Let's dive in to see how we create a new event for now. Simply hit on Add Event, give your event a name, choose when this event has to trigger the email. Choose if it's going to be before or after the due date. Being the overlock notice, I'm going to set this up for 39 days after a payment due date. And I'd simply go ahead and choose the template that I previously created for an overlock. Hitting on Save creates an event called the overlock notice reminder that's set to trigger 39 days after the payment due date, which uses the template called overlock notice template. To recheck, you can hit on Preview, and that redirects you to the report that we've got for the rent reminders. Scrolling down, you'd find, based on the event that you created, these are the tenants who apply to them, and these are the invoices, and this is going to be the days it's going to be sent out. So taking a quick example, we've got Barbara Mori in the unit T750. Taking a quick look at her invoice, I could see that her payment due date is 4/17. Barbara Mori. Heading back, it's going to be triggered on the 26th, hence 39 days after the due date. Take a quick look at the preview. You'd find that the macros work by fetching all the details: her name, her payment due date, the number, the email, and the storage facility name as well. Well, there you go, a simple 3-step module for you to set up your reminder and an event to trigger the same automatically for your tenants. Thank you for choosing 6storage, where we aim to deliver the best of solutions for the storage world.